So today we are discussing about Salesforce certification. So in this tutorial we will learn about that how to register for the Salesforce certifications. Many students who have joined Salesforce recently or who have started work on Salesforce recently, they don't know that how to register in the Salesforce certifications. So I will let you know step by step that how can you register for the Salesforce certification. Even you can give your Salesforce certification from your home. Let's see that what is the process of register. So first we need to open WebAccessor account. So I am just opening WebAccessor. Just click on this WebAccessor login and click on this first link. Using this link, you have opened WebAccessor account which is used to register our Salesforce certification exam. Now, if you are a fresher, you are registered for the first Salesforce certification exam, then before registering your exam, you just need to create your profile in the criteria or in the web accessor. So how can we create our profile in the criterion? In this page, you have seen that create new account and just click on this create new account. When you hit the create new account, it will redirect to this page. So here just need to fill your web accessor login and you after that just fill the password and re-enter the password. And after that just write down the legal first name and the legal last name and just enter the email address to receive the email regarding the Salesforce certifications exam or the registering of your exam. And you can use your phone number and also use address line number that you need to use your address, and also you need to use a city that from which city you are belonging and from which state you are belonging, and also you need to use postal code. Then after that you just enter your country, and after that please enter your email id which is associated from your trailhead account. Why? Because this email ID will connect your web accessor account with the Trailhead account so that you can verify your certifications after passing your certification exam, and it will also helpful to show your certification exam in your Trailhead profile. After that you just need to click on the company name and which company you are working currently. Please write down the company name, and also you just write down the name would like it appear on the certificate. So if you have a name of like Shivam Bansal or Ankit Bansal, just please write down correct name so that the name will be printed correctly. And what is the purpose of, are you a SFDC employee, SFDC customer or SFDC partner? So that SFDC employee is for the Salesforce employee, means it is used for the Salesforce company, and SFDC customer like whose client who are using Salesforce. So at that time the person will use SFDC customer, and SFDC partner means that most of the companies recent most of in the world most of the companies are a partner of Salesforce. We are providing services with the help of Salesforce, so at that time we will use SFDC partner. And verification option is yes, and your role focusedly primarily on which sector, you just need to select private and just click on the save button. When you hit the save button, you will open your Salesforce criterion account. You can find this type of screen where only 4 tabs are visible. in the screen like home, my assessment, register for an exam, receipt. So home is the basic details which is provided, and second thing, the my assessment. Using my assessment, you can check that what exam you have scheduled the upcoming days. You can see that these two certifications exam I have scheduled and these certifications exam I have cleared. Third one is the register for an exam. So when you hit the register for an exam, you can register for your certification. You can select the certification exam. So just click on the blank space. After that, you can see there are three options: online, on-site, and event proctored. So online means that you can give your certification exam from your home, from your own laptop. You don't need to go anywhere. What is the purpose of on-site? That in the on-site, the Salesforce has decided some locations, some centers for the certification exam, so that you can give your certification exam from that particular location. At that time, you don't need to your own system. You just need to go your location and just enter the pin which is provided by the Salesforce, and you can start your exam. And the third one is the event proctored. Event proctored means that this exam you can give in the Salesforce event. These are the certifications exam, and these are the three types of way to give your certification exam. And if I want to register for the AI associate, so just click on the register because I want to give online proctored. So just click on the register exam, and you can select your date and time according to your, like if I want to give this certification exam in the month of Feb on 21st of Feb, so I just select 21st of Feb, and you can also select your time accordingly. Like if you want to give this certification on at 11 p.m. in the night, so just select the 11 p.m. and check this checkbox and click on the select button. When you hit the select button, you will redirect to the this page. You can enter your voucher code, like if you have a voucher of $200 or $400 or $100, you can just enter the voucher code. And if you find the set voucher, you just enter the voucher and click on the submit button. So if you enter the voucher in this box, then the total price will be zero. That means you have not paid to any amount. Don't have any voucher. You just need to click on checkout. When you click on the checkout button, you are redirect to the payment page where you just need to fill your credit card number, CVV number, and you can use card type like Visa, Master, American, and Discover, and the expiration date, and click on the submit button. When you click on the submit button, your exam is scheduled for the particular day, and after that you just need to install one software which is used for giving this exam. You can install this software from this tab and click on this install secure browser. After install this software, you can give your certification exam very easily. So I hope you will understand the process of Salesforce certification, and I hope you can schedule your exam accordingly. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe, comment, and reshare with your colleagues, with your friends for Salesforce certifications, so that this video will help to register of the certification exam.